Yeah.
Must be released within 24 hours.
Yes.
Or you can shoot up the station.
Yeah. And the $2 million fee be there, so.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. Hold on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if I your first time over your channel. Alright, so make we kick it off like this. Young man calling at the station, you see me? With a bag of threats and one bag of something. You just, yo, Jaja. It different, yo. Come like when me I watch a movie. Come like the brother I watch too much movie in a viewers. But anyways, it turned out to be a 17-year Wull, cause you don't know that go them him get iris less than 24 hours, is it? Yeah man, so the threats issues on the phone for release $2 million in cash and one bag of something, man. You must say I remember the Sparta Gang when the police asked him, but I don't know what phone opinion and view based upon what are going on. Leave a comment down below and watch what are going on.
Cut the phone cut off, man. Cut the phone cut off.
Yo, I'm good man, you know. I feel like I don't want dead for you right now.
Alright, so listen now. $2 million are
yeah.
must be released within 24 hours.
Yes.
Or you can shoot up the station.
Yes, and the $2 million fee be there, so. Remember, for the $2 million fee be there, the waiting. If we enter this, so, a problem now if we not see it. No, joking thing. I'm afraid to get shot in my bow, and I'm not that. They're killing me right now, and I'm not. Winter right now, I'm gonna shoot me down, but remember me telling someone I'm gonna go dead, no cap.
And you said this is from the Sparta Gang?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
And for my speculation, me would have said is either a fun or go on like him a link with Sparta and say, no, you go pull off one of them stunts and never know so this would have or one of that enemy I try make things worse than how it is in a fame position. You see me? It could have been that anything, but no enough I go agree, some I go disagree, but at all me see it, is it? So Pretti don't have some few words that our own, you don't know she stay already end of the day, you see me? She talk some things, but
and I'm not laughing at this, you know. A big rascal war can start over this now. A big war. And call for this. I could go on right there now. Who really do these things? Who really do these things? No, because when they just catch them and show them on a youth. That's why the murder rate now stop. Because nowadays, the real people who do crime on them guardian, they just catch some man and lock them up. So right now, when time all this come out on the blood clot new in the media now, constabulary force say, yo, the gun when they charge to me leave or it kill this man and it kill. Yes, man, sit down and pray. Oh, I want to kill with G. Alright. Dog, we have to go make a one move. Because yo, you know, so this can't go so, dog. No. Cast the island for them in the turmoil where it in Uno as the system leaders. And I free my youth if go cast one nether war at Jamaica for more ghetto youths dead. I don't know, so I free me, not free my youth, you know. Mr. Dog, I don't know what if you said to don't know, brother. I just know, say, you see, Jamaica system are one of the leaders for the crime and violence down there. You want me to tell you why, brother? You want me to tell you why? Because you see, one time when I get up and frame, get a youth, say other things, I get a youth not know about bad man, and then this your side, they start fight, this your side, and that the side. Una cause well if a murder and problem at Jamaica as the system leaders them down there. Cause una feel like so una can just tell lie by any ghetto youths. Because you know want, yeah, oh no, yeah man. As the boy them violate, we can go down, they go start kill them. Yeah. That's cool, man. And we sit down right there and watch, you know, time after time as Jamaica system frame ghetto youths. Some of the time, and not even the ghetto youth, not even just the artists them alone. You know what people son, una frame and then they're jail right now. A whole heap and grandson and nephews that jail. Yeah. Over way system do. Una too blood clot wicked man. Una charge you if you gun alright, yeah, one gun, you wanna find upon him. Go there now and not even see him gonna not say kill. Una fake bad man. Una just well want sink the youths them in a society and feel what me not know. Una well want sink the youths them cause I like the youth that we are gonna talk about say, yo, $2 million or else we are gonna torture police, we are got this and we are got that. I said them a set up a Sparta Gang. Why somebody from a gang would have come and talk about, yo, we this run is Sparta Gang, you know, if we don't get the $2 million when we come in a station now, I'll kill off the police, them and torture them and draw out them toenail and red. Why would you say Sparta? He boy all a fumble. When you hear him, he did a go say the name when call with first, then for Lego, and then he say, that the little man, the brother. Because on the desert, una walk so deep, if tie up on the loose ends them. Because on the day, now the mids are framing this youth. And one time, when I frame people, now if try to make sure say everything go like how it go. You see me? No joke. When I did that, when I wrap it up and I say, yeah, see that? A Sparta Gang that. And them a come for $2 million. And them a go dirt, who for dirt, and them a go kill some police. What you mean? Which bad man don't know I call police station? I tell police station, say, yo, Lego ashtray, you know. Because any Lego ashtray, we come up there, make sure say $2 million there in a station. For when we done dirt, you know, we have it for left. Which bad man don't know do that? And the first me I hear them sitting there in my life. I first me I hear that. So because they want to frame the youth, so. Look upon that the 17-year-old boy, you know. And that now me always telling about Jamaica, you know. You stop look upon the little elder them. Because the generation of vipers what the Bible talk about are them this. The generation now we are look upon right now. Fathers killing children killing mama. Right now in America, yeah, my mother tell me about one youth, one Jamaican youth killing mother. Killing mother. You see me? And when you look on that, the 17-year-old little boy, they will kill the teacher and bury her. You see, one time, you look on that, remember, he was 17. He was 17-year-old and him kill and put her in our shallow grave. You see me? In our shallow grave. He was 17-year-old. 17-year-old can do that, you know. Well, how far that different is, sir? Him look 17 to blood clot me. When you look on that the little boy there, look like breast milk still upon his lip. That's a pussy clot baby. Cause this year me a 30, you know. Can't believe it's me old, so yes, me be give God thanks, cause me coulda not reach. But look on it. Look pan it, you know, man. I want boy picking this one, I want little boy. Where you don't think so, some of the old G them where you sit on the corner for a long time, but the whole of the blood clot man, them afraid that, yeah man, pussy clot, see spliff tail come there. You know everybody afraid of blood clot spliff tail. Nobody no likes to say spliff tail come down the road can go that strap or a bus gunshot in anybody. No man, and a spliff tail, a puppy blood clot tail. You see puppy tail? Them you look at generations of blood clot viper, them not easy because of them I listen to this song, them and I take them to heart. A dirt boy, who forget dirt. Me no run joke. Look on that they look about somebody girl that now. And you know, you now come back out of prison, you go down there and Mary Magnally I go fuck you in your hole. Mary Magnally I go fuck you in your blood clot hole. Dig out the whole of your blood clot hole, your pussy I go bust down at that. Look then how you bleach out and nice. Soon them I send you go right over blood clot. Batty ward you gone. Them I send you right over blood clot batty cell. When time then done with your blood clot over this, they rev you out like a new Nissan. You see you bleach out and nice and look like somebody's wife. Fresh fish. So then call you. When they done with the line in a fear blood clot, batty hole you slick white line. When they done with the batty hole where you blessed with, them are gonna fuck out the whole, you get pipe all blood clot night. Yeah, because me have to wonder what go on in Jamaica right now if the whole of just come turn batty man or what. I pay batty man that yard. From the years that I be a blood clot girl just a dead so.